Hello guys, welcome to another video. And in this video we are going to learn how to create an outline text effect in Photoshop. So to get started, we are going to type in our text. So and we are going to increase the size of the font. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to duplicate the text. And to do that, we can either come here, right click, scroll to the options and click on duplicate layer to duplicate the text, or we simply use the shortcut, which is Control J on Windows machines and Command J on Mac OS. So once our text is duplicated, the next thing we are going to do is to bring one of the text behind the subject. We are going to scroll down a bit, select one of the text and drag it below our subject. So you can see that our subject is in between the two texts. So what we are going to do now is to select the text above our subject, or the text in front of our subject. We are going to select it, and the next thing we are going to do is we are coming to the fill panel. You click on the drop down and you reduce the fill to 0. So you can see that the fill has been reduced to 0 and the only text showing is the one behind our subject. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we are coming to the FX panel. You click on the FX and click on stroke. You click on stroke, so you can see that the effect has already taken place. So you adjust the stroke to the size of your choice and you are good to go. So this is how we create text outline effect in Adobe Photoshop.